it's just about 10 o'clock and I've only got 8 miles cashed in. Not quite what I was expecting to do. I don't think I'm gonna make my time, but I'm still gonna make a push. Chipmunk party. It's 11:09. I'm not gonna make it to the post office. I'm less than 2 miles out. My feet were screaming. Got them airing out now. But I'm not going to try to make the push. The hiker tried to motivate me. She's like, "Well, you're so close, you can make it." And it's like, yeah, my feet hurt. There is a post office coming up that has a hiker box. So I wouldn't mind going to that post office anyway. So it's 11:23. I got my feet taped up a little bit. I'm getting ready to pack up, start moving on again. I'm not going to push for the post office though. No sense rushing it at this point. If there's another one in 27.5 miles, like what's another 27.5? Ain't no thing. Anyway. Found these just sitting here on this bench. I'm gonna pack them out while I make my decision on if I want to eat them or not. I'm probably gonna. I've never had them before. Grandma Gatewood style. Kind of makes me want to try them. Hit the fields. I feel like I could still make the push if I really wanted to, but I'm just gonna let it go. Well, it's looking like I might have to get my hat out for this one. It's going to be a hot journey. It is a hot day in Virginia. Oh, no, not Virginia anymore. It is a hot day in PA. Ah. Not necessarily a corn maze, but it's almost like a maze around cornfields. Just crossed the bridge. I'm assuming this trail is going to pop right back out in town. Probably right on Main Street or something. Pretty cool, pretty cool. Nice. You down? Oh, too funny. Made it to the ATC center. Going to get some water. Gonna take a decent break here. Go down to the Outfitters at some point. Take a nice little stroll over here. Man, I want to get in this river so bad. So bad. TCO Outdoors. All right, so it's 3 o'clock. I'm back on trail, even though it's the road. Just ran into a familiar face. Last time I seen this guy, it was kind of like an argument back at trail days, but he's completed the trail. He was back selling some gear. The conversation went fairly well. He wished me luck on my journey. He's glad that I'm still in it. I'm glad that I'm still in it too. So I got 2 pairs of darn Tufts. The pair I got on feels great. However, I wish I would have looked around a little more. Look at this, I found a pair next to the bench. Just basically in the dirt. I could have put a hole in those, went back and exchanged them for a new pair. Could have saved myself 18 bucks, but no big deal. Big berries. I'm loving it. Well, I'm not going to see too much of the bubble I was in. They're all yellow blazing up. Can't take the heat. I'm dealing with it because that's my hike. Oh, I can see why people started in February though. This is brutal. Well, it's almost 4 o'clock and I've only done 2.2. It is just so hot out. It's 4:18 and I am back on trail. Shorts are off. The hat is on. And it's time to get serious. I'm gonna put on some earbuds and I'll get back at you in a little bit. Well, this is how you hike in the heat. I'm hiking in my boxers again. I got my shirt rolled up around the back pad, my pack. I'm doing whatever I can just to stay moving. It's hot today. Tomorrow is gonna be a short day. I feel good enough to go, but I want to do a shakedown at the post office, send some stuff home. I dropped some stuff back at the hiker box. So I am making every effort to make this better so that I can do bigger days or just maintain enough to make it. Still, it'd be nice to lighten up some stuff and not lose it forever, send it home. You know, little keepsakes for even if I ever go home. Some big berries here. I might take some time, pick as many as I can, take a small break. Berries, oh yeah. Another good score on berries. Gotta keep moving though. Can't be berry picking all day long. I think I still got about 8 miles to go before I'm in a campable site. If I want to climb the last mountain, gonna put me at a marathon at the shelter, or maybe it's a campsite on the other side, I can't remember. I'm not really too worried about getting the marathon, but I am very excited that these socks are making this big of a difference. I feel like it's saving my thru hike right now. Now, if you excuse me, I got some miles to crush. So many people just yellow blaze past this. It's crazy. I might be the only no-bow thru hiker on here today. And I've only run into 2 day hikers, 3 so far today. And turned down 2 different offers for a beer. So, how serious am I right now? I'll have to see where I am, but I'm hoping I'm far enough where I can finish my water. A, I'm thirsty, B, I want to lighten my load. Mosquitoes are vicious. I'm still hiking with no shirt or pants on because of the heat. And man, I just got eaten alive. .30 and back on trail. Everything's stiff. Gonna take a little while to loosen up, get back to a good pace. I got 6.7 to go. It's not gonna be a marathon, but it'll be the next campsite that's not frowned upon. I was thinking about just camping right back here, but rules are rules. I'm not in that much of a situation where I need to camp. I could push another 6.7. Plus that puts me next to water. I'll be able to sleep in tomorrow, cook a bunch of food tonight. Big 10-mile day tomorrow. Pretty cool looking section. Oh, that breeze feels good. There was a nice little camp spot back there, but I don't have enough water to stay tonight. I'm gonna cook a big ramen bomb, which is gonna take a lot of water. If I had enough snacks, I might be able to just munch out and save what water I have for the night, but that's not the case, not the situation. So I'm pushing on. Even though it was tempting, I could call it quits right now. Gotta get that water though. I was just in a fight for my life with a bunch of savage mosquitoes. Oh man. Make sure it's not on me again. Oh. Whew. Swatting myself in the face. Every time I wiped my arm, there was like 2 of them there. Silk blazing already. Yeah, that's just one more part of the journey. And it's uncomfortable. And you gotta embrace it. Man, I hope it's not that bad when I get to camp. I'll be doing everything inside my tent tonight. Cooking, all that stuff, organizing. Get ready for my shakedown coming up. Oof. Definitely seen a few car shows there. It's 8:10. Took a little break underneath the bridge, and I'm starting to regret it because my feet are killing me now. Oh. 3 more miles. May take me 3 more hours at this pace. Come on, feet, get loose. Ouch. My feet hurt. Yeah, definitely getting closer to home. It's a random explosion that was pretty decent. I don't know what it was. Not the best view of it, but it's a pretty nice sunset that I'm walking down past. At 9 o'clock, I'm in this cool little tunnel right before camp. Back in the woods. It's 10 past 9. Just outside of camp. So thirsty. So hungry. Yeah, 26-mile day. Get some water. whole lot of water.